Welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I have prepared chicken meatball biryani. I have used frozen meatballs here. You can make meatballs at home also with chicken mince. You can even use chicken instead of the meatballs to make this biryani. Step-by-step instructions have been explained in the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Utensil has been heated. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Put the sliced onions. Saute the onions till they turn golden brown. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Onion is brown now. I'm going to put all the masala powders. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, chili powder. Give it a mix. Keep the flame very low, otherwise the masalas will burn. I'm going to put the biryani masala powder now. Give it a mix. And now we'll add the ground masala. Fry till the raw smell of onion, garlic and ginger disappears. The raw smell of onion, garlic and ginger is almost gone now. I will now put the chopped tomatoes to this and fry them along with the masala till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Shallow fry the meatballs in oil till they get a light brown color. I am doing this so that they will not stick to each other when I drop them in the gravy. The tomatoes have become soft now. Now going to add some water. This is the water from the blender after I ground the masala. Give it a mix. The gravy is still thick now. Keep adding water a little at a time to make a thick gravy. The gravy is still thick now, so I will add some more water. Mix well. Put 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Cover and wait till the curry starts bubbling before you put the meatballs. The gravy is bubbling. I will now add the chicken meatballs. Mix gently. Salt is also perfect, so I will cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Cooked the meatballs for about 15 minutes now, and it's done. I checked the salt and it's fine. So I'm going to switch off the flame now because I'm going to make a layer of rice and the meatball curry. I've kept the water for heating. I put cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and 1 bay leaf, a little bit of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil in this. When it starts bubbling, I'll be putting the soaked rice and cook the rice till it's 3/4 done. Water is bubbling now. Now put the rice. I'm going to now layer the biryani. I've left a little bit of the gravy with meatballs at the bottom of the utensil. Put 1 layer of rice on top. have some brown onions here, which I will sprinkle on top of this layer. And a little bit of coriander leaves. Now put some more gravy. You can either do 3 layers or just 2 layers. The remaining rice. Cover and cook on high heat for about 5 minutes, then lower the heat and cook for another 10 more minutes. I'm going to close this opening here with a clove so that all the steam gets trapped inside the utensil. I'm going to turn off the flame now. Leave the biryani covered for another 5 more minutes before opening the lid. Chicken meatball biryani is now ready to be served. You can serve it with some raita or cucumber salad.